really like this. We can go.
Dito ko eh. Nakita ko na.
Oh, there's a tree. So
Ano na tayo
it's like
naman eh.
that.
Sinalbo niya eh. Sayang. Inuwan. Tumama. Inuwan.
Bili na lang tayo ng tubig kasi naubos na yung tubig ko. Sobrang gulo ng tent. So, nag-rent lang ako ng tent. Kasi, nag-commute lang ako. Hindi ako makapunta ng tent. As well as wala naman akong tent. So, I didn't try to buy a tent as well. Kasi, hindi mo siya kayang italin. Wala naman akong sasakyan. Dito. Anyway, yeah, I got my tent and yan, kulang ako ng tubig. Wala din akong masyadong pagkain. So, magsasarado yung pag may ditang rice, silog, kumbaga, ng 5, which is now, because it's 5 already. Tapos yung sari-sari store will close at 8 and will open at 8 in the morning as well. So, kailangan niya bumili na ako na water. And then, bago mag-8, bibili na ako ng kape. Kasi, gusto ko ng kape. Sa gabi. And, yun. Meron lang ako is tinapay and Nova, of course. And I'll try to look kung ano po yung pagkain makukuha ko ngayon. I don't think wala na. I think wala na. Can you hear me though? But yeah, let's go. Ang mahirap lang kapag solo is I don't feel safe leaving my things. So I actually want to carry them. But then I only need my phone and my wallet with me. So how can you go swim as well? You know what I mean? But I don't plan on swimming. It's just that if I do plan on swimming and I'm solo, where would I put my phone and my wallet? I should get a waterproof pouch. You know that thing? Yeah. Next time, though I didn't really plan on swimming. And I won't swim anyway. I just want to be next to the sea. Like that. At least now I can speak. I was having anxiety to film walking out. Maybe because I'm in my tent. That's why I can speak. But I'll try harder outside. Try to speak and vlog because that's my agenda today. And later in the evening, yeah. Oh, see my necklace. I bought this for 50 pesos from a kid. That kid is gentle, but yeah, I can only buy one. Because, anyway, what I was saying, I need to get some water because I run out of water, and they will close at 8.